Yes, he died from the ignite. Kinda missed my E. But it's okay. Like my E landed as a grab and not as a stun. That's the problem.
Enemy double kill.
Yeah, not this shit. This dumbass champ, bro.
Shut down.
Like, holy shit, this champ is OP, bro. Like, what is that? What is that? What is that, bro? What is that range, bro?
Turret plating will fall soon.
It's ridiculous. It's ridiculous, bro. He still has the ultimate, so I cannot really all in him. He has the flash though. He's gonna take the entire turret, bro. That disgusting, disgusting champ. Finally. Nice, well played. Played.
Your turret has been
I love good to retreat, that's not good. I think I thought he was like 1-6. Yeah, it's 3 kills suddenly. That's okay, I just need Strikebreaker so I can play the game. The game is really rough right now. I didn't perform the best in the laning. I missed a lot of E's.
Your team has destroyed a turret.
Need to back off because they're probably coming towards me top, the ring guard. Can you get Strikebreaker?
An enemy has been slain.
Can't recon on. I think we can get the break. Okay, very good, very good. As soon as Brand gets Riley, the game is gonna be way easier, I think. That's hoping that the Brand actually gets Riley this game. Because usually Brands on my team, they never go this broken item. It's only when the enemy team, they rush it first item, let's see.